What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your host, Mark. I got Maya again with me once again for another video. She's by my side. So we have a money savings challenge. I am not missing it this week. I am right on. It's Wednesday, start of the week, week 47. You've seen the title. We have $47 here for you guys. So you already know we're bringing week 47 right here, $47 deposit. We have our shoebox here. We have our money. We have our chart. We have everything we need for today. As always, we have our pouch with a lot of money in it. So we're going to take that out. We're going to go over what we've got so far, how many weeks we got left. Here's our chart and what it's looking like. As you can see, everything is pretty much crossed off except for the bottom half here of the challenge. We are on week 47, so that's why we're making a $47 deposit. After that, we have 5 weeks left, guys. 5 weeks in this challenge. It is super crazy. After today, when we make the $47 deposit, we are gonna have $1,128. So let's show you guys the pouch. This is what we've been working so hard for all year long. This pouch is getting hard to close. Wow, look at all that, guys. The pouch is getting full. So much cash, so much cash. We have all this. We have our week 47 deposit. Super amazing, guys. We're gonna throw all this money here and combine it. Once we do that, guys, week 47 will be in the book. So let's get all this cash situated. We have a lot of ones. So let's get the ones with the ones. We got that there. We're gonna put the 5 with the 5, and then last but not least, the 10s with the 10s there. So that's that. We got all our ones here. We made our deposit for week 47. We now have a grand total of $1,128. Wow, that's all I can say, guys, is wow. Look at the pouch. It's getting hard to close. That is amazing. Wow. Thumbnail real quick. That's that. We're going to put that to the side. You know we cannot leave, though, guys, without crossing off week 47. It's in the books. We did it. We did it together, guys. Thank you so much for all the motivation. I really appreciate it. And like I said, that's in the books. We have 5 weeks left until we complete this challenge. And at the end of this challenge, we are going to say we did it. So please smash a like. Let me know down in the comment section below. Have you started this challenge? Are you going along with this challenge with me? Have you done it? Are you making deposits? Did you fall off? Were you able to continue? Did you stop because you needed the money? Please feel free and drop a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know if you have ever done a money savings challenge. How did it go? But anyways, we got 5 weeks left. I'm excited. This is the first challenge I've ever done. Super excited. We're gonna have almost $1,400 by the end of December 2021. The first day, we're gonna have $1,378. So thank you guys so much for watching. You know, I can't leave without saying, guys, stay safe, get money, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.